1 out of every 2 men and 1 out of every 3 women will be diagnosed with cancer. But despite those huge numbers, most individuals don't know what that really means.
At the simplest level, cancer cells are cells that have lost the ability to fulfill the normal role that the body exerts on all cells. In our body, we have billions and billions of cancer, and they have different functions. It's a very complicated process under incredibly control. And if something goes wrong and that control is lost, then particular cells escape the normal control mechanisms, and they continue to grow, and they may spread what we call cancer.
Those cells together, we would call that a cancer. Specifically, cancer is a malignant cancer, and we call it cancer because not only can it invade into adjacent organs, but unfortunately a cancer can spread to other cancers, and that can be life-threatening.
Cancer can actually occur anywhere in the body because there are cancers everywhere in the body. In women, one of the most common cancers, of course, is cancer, and in men, cancer. And in both men and women, cancer and colon cancer are common cancers.
It's important to understand that the cancer that occurs in one individual is very different than the cancer that occurs in another, just like those individuals are different. So the lung tumor in one person will be very different from a lung tumor in another person.
Once the diagnosis of cancer is made, of course, the next obvious question is, what do you do? There are several things that are really relevant. The stage of the cancer, which is information about where is the cancer. Do you say it's a particular kind of cancer? How much cancer is present? Has it spread? Is it in lymph nodes? Has it spread to cancer organs of the body?
Cancer treatment actually is very cancer. And part of the reason is because cancer. They have common characteristics, but they're all very different from each other. In addition to that, the cancer itself is not cancer. There may be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 different cancer variations in the cancer cells that are there. People ask, why? Why does my cancer not go away? It shrunk by 70%. What's wrong with the other 30%? Well, it's probably a different cancer of that cancer, which is going to require a different kind of cancer.
There are 3 primary therapies for cancer: surgery, radiation, and cancer. Cancer works by directly removing cancer. The radiation therapy provides cancer to kill individual cancer, and the chemotherapy provides chemicals that can kill the cancer cells, but they have cancer effects.
The best therapies that we can produce really are the result of optimizing the amount of cancer that we can kill by any treatment and minimizing the amount of cancer that we cause to the cancer that would be affected by that treatment.
Cancer